Mining away. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful. I forgot the lyrics, so I'll stop singing. Okay, what's this one? Boom! Wow. Oh! What's the... Let me taste the abilities. Okay, so what's this one? How's... Oh, wow. So, well, what's the new... Okay. Bop. Hello, Sonny boy. Bop. Oh, no. Get absorbed. Shattering eruption. Well, this is the nuke ability. Let's go send in a nuke, guys. This is what I call the thick Arthur. I look like a little elf. I don't know why. Bop. Nuke. E e e e e e e e e e e. I'ma just... Yeah, that'll definitely work. Trust me, guys. No, that didn't. Okay, let me try again. Boom! Kapow. Get roasted. Get crosted. Bop. No. Boom. 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 Oh, frick. Okay, and kaboom. Easy money. And then kaboom. That's more easy money. And then kaboom. Easy money. Oh, look. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna turn naughty right here. Okay. I'm very naughty. Kaboom. Oy, 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 oy. And this Minecraft... What if I just killed him at the last second? I still don't know. I still do not know what type of combos I should do. I thought about like I thought about Genesis Ray and Concentrated Blast, but I don't want to do that because someone already made that combo, and I can tell. So that makes me sad and depressed and I like that one, the consecutive explosions. Boom! Big shock. Okay, now let me finish. Bop, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Boom! No, you. Oh, noes. I gotta spam my alt. That, okay, no, that did not. That didn't work at all. Um, let's go yeet on some haters. um, yeah, I still do not know any combos to do. Bop 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 bop. He wants to get know you. Boom boom. Lol XD get baloneyed. Lol XD no. No 52. Boy you trash. And then just die by him. Boom. Oh no. Please no papa. Papa please. Well I guess I have every single ability now. Um I don't know where he went. He might have disappeared. I don't know. I don't know yet, but I don't care. Get read on. Boom. Um, I still don't know what to, what are you doing? What are you doing in my swamp? Okay, I think I got an idea. It's gonna be really similar to like one of my other combos. So wait, let me just try this. Huh? Wait. Okay. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. I was gonna do temporal trap, but then I accidentally did explosive leap. Huh? Wait, let me, whoa, wait, hold up. Hold up a sec. Oh no, oh no. Kaboom. Kaboom. Breathing intensifies. No me. Sonny boy, that, oh my god. I don't know how much damage that did anyway, so, well, I think he already had some health down. Uh, where's Whee! 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 Oh God, I'm his friend. Oh Jesus Christ, I'm his flip friend. God. Oh. Oh my. Bless. Bless. This. Oh. 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 Ogre. Ogre. What are you doing? What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing? What are you doing in my swamp? Boom. Okay, I just want to test it on Jack, just please. Please. Boom. I was like, why did you kill me? Tell me now. Cause I want the temple simple. Lel. Stop. Why? Bro. Oof. I'm out of the map. Bro, stop. I ain't your bro. I want you. Okay, did I censor that enough? Let me just, make it not be seen right there. Okay, good. Bum, 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 bum. Well, that's explosion, guys. Well, now I have every single ability. I remember when I was like, well, but I'm never getting. I was like, yeah, I'm never in my life ever getting a roar explosion and or anything like that. But now I'm like, oh my god, how? I finally accomplished my goal, getting every single ability in the game. This is so sad. Alexa, play Despacito. I'm so evil. Consecutive. Consecutive. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Bop. Run, 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 run. Bro. Boom. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like if you did. Dislike if you didn't. That's my um, GR, angry GR. Guess I don't want the world millet present. Jack, don't kill me. Yes, he will. He's a. Oh no! It's the potato. Run. No, I want revenge. What? Anyways, subscribe. If you didn't, like, I mean, you can do it if you want to. I'm not making you do it. Get toasted, my dude. Oh God. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Ow. What? What? Lol. Um. Um. I did it in time. Oh, no, never mind. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. And, turn on notifications if you don't want to miss a video. Um, I'm very cringy. And yeah. Uh, um, please don't hate on my cringiness. Uh, just please do not hate on my Please don't hate on my cringiness. I'm trying to be as cringy as possible. Trust me, I am. I am. Um. All right, bye guys. I'm getting the